Setting up your ASUS AX1800 RT-2 router? No worries. In this video, I'll by step so you know exactly what to connect, what to click, and what settings to check. Let's get started. First, make sure your router and fiber box are powered on. Now connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the WAN port on your ASUS router. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to the LAN 1 or UNED 1 port on your fiber box. Once connected, wait for the router lights to become stable. Next, connect your computer or phone to the router's Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi name and password are printed on the label on your router. Once your device is connected to the router, open a web browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar, type 192.168.50.1, then press Enter. This will take you to the ASUS Router Setup Gateway. On the ASUS Welcome screen, you may see an option that says, "Click here to continue." Click that option to move forward. Sometimes, your browser may show a certificate warning or a message saying the connection is not private. Don't panic, this can happen during local router setup. If you see a pop-up about a certificate issue, click Yes. Then, click Advanced Options or Advanced. After that, select Proceed to 192.168. Your browser may label it as unsafe, but in this case, you're only accessing your own router's local setup page. Now, you'll reach the ASUS Router Sign-In page. Enter the username and password for the router, then click Sign In. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the router's main dashboard. From the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side. Find and click on WAN. This is where you manage the internet connection settings for your router. Now click on WAN connection type. Here, you'll see different connection options. Enter in the PPPoE username and password from Occom, then click Apply. These details are usually sent to you in your activation email. Please be careful when entering them, because sensitive, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the username or password. Once the PPPoE details are entered, click Apply. Now wait while the router applies the settings and connects to the internet. Once applied, open a few web pages and check if your Wi-Fi devices are working properly. If the pages load normally, your internet connection is ready. If you would like to change your Wi-Fi name or Wi-Fi password, go to the wireless section from the left side menu. From there, you can update your Wi-Fi network name and password. We recommend assigning separate names to the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz so you can easily identify and connect to the network you want. That's it! Your ASUS AX1800 RT52 router should now be set up. If your internet still doesn't work, double-check the cable connection type, and PPPoE password. And if you still need help, contact Occom for assistance.